In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access payroll in Zoho Books efficiently and effortlessly. Let's dive into the process together and make sure you have everything you need to get started smoothly. First things first, to begin this process, head over to the Zoho Books website and find the Sign In button. Once you click that, you'll see an option to sign in using your Google account. This is a convenient way to access your account with just a few clicks. So go ahead and click on the Google button on the sign in page. After that, choose your Google account from the accounts that appear. If it's your first time logging in from this device or browser, you might have to enter your credentials and grant necessary permissions. Keep in mind that the loading time may vary. Sometimes it might take a bit longer depending on your internet speed, so just be patient if it takes a while. Once you're signed in successfully, locate your profile photo that's situated in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a menu, and from there you want to click on the My Account link. It helps you navigate to your Zoho account settings, where you'll perform the next steps. In your Zoho account settings, find the icon that looks like square dots, again located in the top right corner. Clicking on these square dots will display various tools and services provided by Zoho. Among these, you'll need to find and select Payroll. Now that you've accessed Zoho Payroll, direct your attention to the bottom of the page where you'll see a gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to open up your payroll settings, where you'll tweak the necessary configurations for integration. Next, within the settings, you'll look for Zoho Apps. Selecting this option will present you with the available apps and services that can be integrated with Zoho Payroll. Here is where you need to focus on integrating your payroll with Zoho Books. Once you have the list of Zoho apps in front of you, find Zoho Books and click on the Connect button. This will initiate the process of linking your payroll system to your Zoho Books account, making payroll management much easier by streamlining data and operational flow. The final step in this process is to click on Join Organization. By doing this, you ensure that the integration is not just set up, but also fully active, making payroll processing within Zoho Books seamless and efficient. And there you have it, you've now successfully accessed and integrated payroll in Zoho Books. This setup will help you manage your payroll with ease, letting you focus on more important aspects of your business. Remember, if you ever need to revisit this process, simply refer back to these steps and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.